Hey there everyone, this is Joe from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne, Australia. This is auction number 20, offered exclusively on the silverstackers.com forum. I'll put a link below in the YouTube page to the auction page on Silverstackers. It looks a little something like this right here, except a different item, of course. This week we've got something a little different. We've been doing silver for a while. Now we're going to do this very awesome 1 ounce gold Stanley Robert Mitchell gold cast bar. So Stanley Robert Mitchell, I'll give you a little bit of info on them in a second. This is a vintage bar, definitely a vintage bar. Whether it's circa 70s, 80s or a time before, I'm not quite sure. I might get someone who might know a bit more about it to post a comment either on the YouTube video or in the Silverstackers forum. I'm guessing it's around the 70s, 80s, just judging by the font type, etc. But Stanley Robert Mitchell was a Melbourne, Australia refiner who established their business in 1911, so been around for quite a while. So could it even predate the 70s, 80s? Quite possibly. But as you can see, 1 ounce cast gold bar. Let me just show you the back right here. Nice. I love the back. Look at it. It's really nice. I like that. And all the information is on the front there, as you can see. 1 ounce. There's SRM Stanley Robert Mitchell. The M's a little bit faded, but you can still see it. And 999 gold right there. So as I said, auction number 20. And it's on the silverstackers.com forum, and we're going to start it off at spot price, but we have a good feeling that some of our US friends may want to bid on this, because we are going to post this on Instagram, and we'll give them a link to the Silverstackers forum page. And I have a good feeling some of our US friends who have been buying some of our more high premium stuff might want to get their hands on this bad boy right here. Now let's do a quick little bit of info on Stanley Robert Mitchell. Now this is the allanglehard.com website, and I've got a little bit about Stanley Robert Mitchell here. Stanley Robert Mitchell, 1881 to 1963, mineralogist, metallurgist and businessman, established himself as a gold assayer in 1911. This is in Melbourne in Australia. He founded S.R. Mitchell & Co. in the mid 1920s, there we go, and operated as a major refiner of precious metals. The majority of ingots defined on this page are believed to have been produced from 1970 through to the early 80s. So that's my guess about the decade in which this 1 ounce bar was made. Now there's no 1 ounce bars shown on here. They're all silver, because they did a lot of silver, but they did gold too, and this is one of them right here. Just to prove to you again the validity of this refiner, here's another bit about Stanley Robert Mitchell. I'll put a link to this in the info page of the YouTube video, and also on the silverstackers.com forum. You can find out a lot more. Goes into a little bit more detail about his philanthropic stuff as well, but lots there. And lastly, just to really prove it, we have one of the dealers in the States, Atmex. They do sell, or what they were selling when they had them in stock, these half kilo SR Mitchell bars. So you can definitely tell it's a real company with a very cool background, an Australian refiner based in Melbourne, Australia. So we're going to start this off at spot price, as we do with all of our auctions here at Bullion Now. So you could actually snap up a bargain. As I said, I think one of our US international friends may want to place a bid on this baby, because these don't come up very often. Am I going to call it rare? I don't want to do that, but these don't come up very often at all. So I'll put all the details, of course, in the auction page, naturally. And so, you know, the auction starting bid, and that's going to be at spot price, of course, and of course the end date, etc. So check out all those details. Make sure you read the terms and conditions as well, and we hope that you get to place a bid on this bad boy, and you get it for a good price too, hopefully, unless the internationals snap it up. And of course, you want to be over here at bullionnow.com.au website. Coming soon. There's our phone number to call us Australia-wide. There's our email address to email us internationally, worldwide, and there's our physical address to come and visit us in the store, have a chat, come and buy some metal, and you know, be one of the family. And of course, you do want to join the YouTube page as well, youtube.com/Bullion Now. 217 subscribers. You know you want to do it. That's it, gang. Stay safe, and we'll speak to you soon.